Okay, right, welcome to my first ever unboxing video. I've already opened the box because I didn't realise I was going to do this video, but we'll have a look together, see what we get inside the box. Now, I ordered this from ATMOKO, which is a Chinese company going since around 2017. It came within about 3 days of ordering it, so pat on the back for Amazon for being so quick to deliver it. So without further ado, let's get started and get into this, see what's inside the box. Right. So I've already opened the box, took a peek and then decided let's do an unboxing video because I've never done one before. Right, so this is a kit I bought. Because we're in lockdown, it made sense. Get a hair trimmer, trim your own hair because the barbers are all shut. It didn't take long to turn up. As you can see, it's ATMOKO. It's a 5-in-1 multifunctional trimming kit. It's wireless, and apparently, looking at this picture, it's waterproof as well. But I didn't really go into that bit of the waterproof, so I'll have to test that out later. Right, so let's get started. I'll get the box out. Reasonable packing, no damage on the packing. Right, there's the box. There's a bit of damage on the box. Not much, just a little bit. But we won't worry about that too much. We'll see what it's like inside. So, let's get it opened up. There's no seal on it, so it could be anything in there, I suppose. Right, we'll open the box up. And we'll pull it out, see what it's like. Whoops, can't get my fingers in. What's going on here? Have I got it? Yeah, I've got it. I got it. There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. That looks really cool. There's an instructions in the box as well. So there's the instruction kit. Or instructions to the kit, I should say. Nice unit. Varying heads. I didn't realise it had that many heads on it. I thought it was just a hair trimmer kit. Never mind. We'll put the box down on the floor. Don't need that at the moment. Right, so we've got the instructions. Let's have a quick flick through the instructions. Oh, that's got a bit folded up. Never mind. So it's in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, Chinese by the looks of it. After all, it's a Chinese product. ATMOKO's been going since about 2017, so they've got the experience. And looking at the guide, it looks like they've actually spent some time making sure the English is actually in English. It is quite good. It is quite a good guide as well. Using the product waterproof. This appliance is waterproof. It's suitable to be used and cleaned under a shower and taps. That's really handy, that is, because the last one I ever bought wasn't. I dropped it in the water and of course that was the end of that. So let's get this out and have a look. You've got a little plastic bubble covering it. Let's see if we can get that off. Yep, that's not sellotaped down, so we'll put that over there. Right, these heads, there's lots of different heads. Anyone my age and older will know what that one's for. That's a foil razor, so that'll be handy on trimming up beard areas to make it nice and neat. A sculpture and a detail one. Right, let's have a look at the unit itself. It feels quite heavy. Feels quite heavy and nice in your hand. It's definitely really good quality, and of course it's rechargeable, so you haven't got to worry about batteries or all the rest of it. So we've got a trimmer. I think that's a hair trimmer. That's a detail trimmer, I think. You've got different levels. You can set the trimmer blade to, which is always good. Power on and off, and an indicator light on the bottom, which is really useful. Sometimes you want to know when it's getting low on charge, especially if you're doing your hair and your beard all in one go. I think it's got quite a long battery life for what it is. It's an 800 milliamp battery, 5 volts, so that's not too bad. Obviously the made in China on it, and usually these ATMOKO products usually come fully charged straight out the box, which I think is quite useful. The other ATMOKO product I've got is the sonic toothbrushes, and they came straight out the box fully charged. I've had them for a couple of weeks now, and I still haven't had to charge them up, so hopefully this one will be the same. Right, so put that aside. I thought it had yeah, it's got a, okay, so where's that? Nothing else in the box. Let's have a look. Is there anything underneath? Oh yeah, look, here we go. Yeah, oh wow, look at that. Oh, little brush to clean out the little bits, hair out the teeth. This is another feature of the ATMOKO that I really like. It charges using a USB cable. That is really handy, especially if you're on the go. If you've got a laptop with you or a power bank, you haven't got to find a power socket. You just plug it into your laptop, charge it up, or you can power it into a little power bank, charge it up. I've personally got a household socket with 2 USB sockets in it, so that's really handy for me. Normally what I end up having to do is cut the 2-pin plug off and put a UK plug on, but this is really handy. I haven't got to do anything to it, just plug it in and go, so that's really useful. Alright, little tray to store. Oh, there's another one there. So let's get that looks like it goes in there. Yeah, that stands in there. And then we got a tray for all the little accessories. So that I would say is the beard trimming comb, so that you can trim your beard without it going too short, which is useful because quite often I end up trimming my beard too short in one particular place or another. Alright, don't go in there, does it? Alright, let's have a look at the box, see if we could work out where these all go. Right, so these bits appear to go in order down this side. So we go. That one seems to be in the middle. That one seems to be at the end. That little one there seems to be at the end. So that's useful. So, yeah, I think there's like a little clip to hold it in place, which is useful. And then this one goes here. Found a place to put it, but still, that goes there. And then these all go inside here. Let's see if I can get these out. Move that over a little bit. So we've got this big one. Whoops. So we've got the little one, the medium sized one, and the big one. Oh, they fit in there nice. Yeah, they fit in there nice, so they're alright in place. I think this one, looking at the picture, actually stays on there. Clips into place like that, so that one stays on there. So this one, that one must go in there. That's it, that fits in there like that. The brush is in there. Cable doesn't matter, you can just lay the cable across there. It's also got a code. which usually comes in these sets. You usually get a comb. Oh, that's unusual. It's actually curved. It's not a straight tooth comb. It feels a little bit plastic, but then you probably end up not using this comb anyway. You probably use the one that you've always used, or the one that you bought or someone bought for you, so no worries about the comb. I mean, you expect a cheaper comb to be cheaper. But the actual unit itself, as I say, feels really nice. It feels like a nice sturdy product. It feels like it could last quite a while. And it's usually down to the batteries of these things. First one I ever had was a rechargeable, and then after about 3 years the battery died, and that was the end of that, because you can't change them. But hopefully this one will have a longer life. Right, so on here we've got an adjuster which actually adjusts the teeth to make it a shorter or a longer cut, depending how you like it. So you've got position 3, position 2 and position 1. Looks like position 1 is the longest cut. As I say, your power switch and your indicator light to do the charge. These usually come fully charged, so straight out the box you could sit there and use it. I'm not going to use it today. I want to do a separate video on that if I can. See if I can get someone to help me shave my hair or whatever, and I'll do a video of that if I can. So stay tuned for that one. It's a 2-pin socket in the back, and it does say it's waterproof, so we'll have to check that out as well. Right, so power on should light up the indicator. Yep. Blue light's flashing. And what we'll have to do is get the book and see if we can find the blue lights flashing. Where did I put the book? There it is. Alright. Let's see if we can find our indicator. That's the German section. Charging. Make sure the product is switched off. Connect the USB charge cable to the product and then to the mains. The charging indicator will always light up red. After 90 minutes or for full charge, the LED indicator turns to blue. It will work lasting for more than 60 minutes. The battery recharging time depends on the charge source. Right, so that hasn't told me nothing. Right, using blue light flashes. So the blue light flashes while you're using it. That's why that was flashing blue. I thought perhaps it was run out of charge. Battery less than 10%, red light flashes, so that obviously changes to red. When that goes in charge, red light is always on. Fully charged, blue light turns on, I suppose continuous. Locked, green light flashes. Oh, so you can lock it. Just gives you the idea of how you can switch on. Oh, travel lock. No, when you press the on off switch with flashing green light, it indicates that the product is locked. Press on off switch 30 seconds, green light flashes, 3 seconds to lock the product. If you want to unlock the product, oh, so you can lock it. So that's a go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there you go, it's locked. Green light flashes 3 times. I think it's flashed 3 times, yeah. So that's handy, because if you put it in a bag, there's always something that could press against it, and then by the time you got to your destination, if you're going on holiday or something, you've got no charge. But as I say, this is really, really useful. The other product I got from ATMOKO was their sonic toothbrushes, and they use USB chargers, which is brilliant. Plug it into your laptop, it will charge up. Slower obviously, but it will charge up. Get one of them little power banks, stick it in, charge it up. You've always got somewhere that's got a USB throughout the world. Not everywhere in the world has got an adapter for a UK plug, or even a 2-pin European plug. I know in America they've got them flat plugs, haven't they? So that is really useful feature of this, really useful. So what I'll do then, I shall pack up for now. I thank you for watching the video of the ATMOKO multifunctional trimming kit. As I say, it looks really good. It turned up really quick, thanks to Amazon. It wasn't one of these cases where you buy a Chinese product and it takes 3 months to bloody turn up. It was really, really fast. It's really packaged well. It had a little bit of a dent on the box, but there's absolutely no damage whatsoever inside. It's really well packaged with these blister packing bubbles. So that's really good. I'm really pleased with that. I'm really pleased with that. As I say, it's my first ever unboxing of any product. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Hope you'll come back again. If you hit subscribe, like, all the rest of the things, hopefully we'll get some more done and we'll see you again in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye.